Welcome to the HTML, JavaScript, and Bootstrap certification course for beginners. This course gives students the knowledge necessary to take their front-end development skills to the next level. The course is meant for beginners who have little to no experience with coding. We start right from the foundational concepts and work our way up to intermediate level topics. By the end of this course, students will be able to create stunning mobile responsive web pages using the latest scripting languages. We start with HTML. HTML is a key fundamental building block when learning to develop websites. Students will learn the basics of HTML page structure and gradually transition into working with spacing, text formatting, lists, images, videos, links, anchors, tables, forms, and much more. We also include several projects where students are shown firsthand how to develop and code HTML web pages from scratch. In Section 2, students learn to integrate JavaScript components into their web pages for dynamic client-side functionality. We start by exploring basic concepts such as JavaScript placement and output. From there, we move into variables, arithmetic operators, objects, and data types. The course includes many other important topics such as JavaScript min and max functions, special characters, math functions, arrays, changing and deleting elements, conditional statements, comparisons, booleans, loops, events, and functions. In Section 3, students are taught to use the Bootstrap framework for responsive, mobile-first front-end development. As one of the leading open-source development libraries, Bootstrap is an essential part of the developer's coding arsenal. The section begins with teaching students how to include essential Bootstrap files into web pages. It then explores the Bootstrap grid system and popular layout strategies for optimal cross-device and cross-browser compatibility. Students gain exposure to just about every Bootstrap component, from typography, tables, and images to jumbotrons, wells, alerts, buttons, glyphicons, and progress bars. The Bootstrap section of this course includes several hands-on exercises that will walk students through the process of creating stunning layouts complete with modals, carousels, popovers, drop-down menus, forms, and much more. We hope you're just as excited about this course as we are, and if you are, go ahead and hit that enroll button and let's get started.